Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Gunz-n-at. It's been a little while since I've made any videos, but I've been busy and doing some stuff here with some of my guns and different things that I have. Just tinkering around basically. So for all you Fusion firearms, here, let's take a look. There it is. It's open, clear. See in there? Nothing in there, no magazine. For all the Fusion firearms owners out there, I will say one thing. I really like this gun. It's fantastic. It's a nice gun. Probably one of my favorites, to be honest with you. But the one thing I will say is that the grips are, those aluminum grips, they look cool, don't get me wrong, but when it comes to actually grippiness, there is zero. So I was messing around here one day and I figured I took the grip panels off. So I had some of this like adhesive backed grip tape laying around. So I thought, it's like, let's try something here. So what I ended up doing was I took the grip panels off and I made cutouts of each side. Now I still have this one has the orange grips with it, the orange camo ones, but these comes with two sets when you buy them. This is the black grips that come with here stock. They're aluminum. They look really nice, but for grippiness, they are less than zero. So it's not. I'm not a huge fan of it. So I was messing around one day and I figured, you know what? I said, let's take some of that grip tape, cut these out, right? And then, so I just tried to stick them on there on the aluminum, which I figured it probably wasn't going to work, but it ended up, it stuck okay, but I still ended up, I wasn't super happy with it. So what I ended up doing was I got some Loctite super glue, the gel, and once I had everything kind of on there and trimmed up and how kind of I wanted it, all I did was I laid a bead of super glue all the way up the edge, around all the edges, right? And then all around everything else. And then as you can see though, and if you guys are going to do this, if you have them, I highly recommend going on the Fusion's website. This is for the XF Pro, and buying yourself a new set of grip screws because they're dog shit. And the grip screws, they literally strip out so easy, it's ridiculous. So I ended up stripping one out because I had it in there too tight from before, because I'd watched a bunch of videos about them saying I'll put some Loctite on them, do this, do that, to get them to kind of stick there. Sorry, I have like some paint on my shirt or something. But so anyways, as you can see, there's the hole right there where the grip screw goes. The nice thing is that these all kind of held it on there really well. And the grip screws are still long enough once you put that grip tape back on there. But with the gel super glue, once I had everything kind of put back together, I super glued the grips back onto here, and it's held really well. I just been waiting for the other grip screws to come back in because the one was screwed up. But this was all this was some grip tape I bought on Amazon. It would come in a long strip, it's like that long or whatever. And once it's sticky on the back, but like I think it's not like super sticky, but that doesn't really matter. Like I said, once you put the super glue on the back of them, it does a nice job. But as you can see, shit. I mean, it's kind of sticky, but it's not like crazy sticky, but it's not bad. This is just one of the projects that I've been working on. I'm going to actually make a couple videos here today about some of the things I've been doing, because I've been, dicking around and this and that, and between travel sports with my kid, baseball with my kid, and I haven't had a whole lot of time, but I did do a nice project down at our local gun club where I go and shoot all my videos at. We just redid the pistol range, but this is my Fusion XF Pro here. I'm running it with the TLR7 HLX, the 1000 lumen one. But this is what I mean, this is a big gun to carry, to be honest with you. But dude, this is sweet. This is a really nice gun. I've had this for a while, and I'm waiting. I've been waiting to make this video about these grips because I know there's probably about tons of these out there. But honestly, at Fusion, if you guys see this video, you guys should really make a polymer set of grip panels for these so that you could stipple them or do an aftermarket stippling or, you know, something else. Just because, like, the aluminum grips are cool looking, don't get me wrong, but they're not super. I don't like the texture. I mean, like, they're fine, don't get me wrong. The gun, that would be my only qualm with this gun, is that there's not enough texturing on the grip. It's like almost like they need to machine the holes deeper, or machine like the stuff on the aluminum deeper so that you can make it, I don't know, a little more, leave some bars on it so you can get a hold of it. But I did this, and like I said, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Send some comments if you need to. But yeah, Fusion, if you guys see this video, I highly suggest a set of polymer grip panels for this will be really cool. So then you could stipple it however you want, or put, you know, make it whatever you need to do, but just make a polymer set of grip panels to change out the aluminum ones. I think the aluminum ones are really good, don't get me wrong. I just like my stuff a little more texture on mine. That's just how I like my stuff, but that's, you know, I'm sure there's lots of people that are the same way. But if you guys have questions or whatever, leave it in there, like, subscribe. I got lots more videos coming up actually today, and I'm gonna make some more here, and because I got a little bit of time, and we're gonna go over some stuff that I've been working on. So, all right, guys, thanks a lot.